guys. Yeah! Guys, I just passed my driving test. Okay, first of all, thank you for all of the prayers. I really appreciate it. So I want you guys to look out for my foundation. That's the Gooden Foundation for mental illness persons and Down syndrome kids. My heart is already with the Lord. If it wasn't, I wouldn't be alive right now. So music and the industry is the devil's playground, but I'm a servant, I'm a servant of God on the devil's playground. I'm not worried about people who are trying to stop me or blackball me. I ain't worried about that. Trust me. Me checking my so-called boss about him sabotaging my career is to show you that I don't give a f.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah, man, blessed love and greetings, man, viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, and alliance, make it with yourself. You know, for you see the image I advise on Lionfoot and his eyes. Just a forward after the work. I'm gonna cool down now and go and watch Arsenal women's team. You know, they have the second leg against Real Madrid. They lost 2-0 in Spain, so hopefully we can overturn that 2-0 deficit tonight at the Emirates scene and go through to the semi-final. So come on, Arsenal, go on. But anyway, big up all of the women, them, you know. Yeah, man, the strong black woman, them. You see me I say? Yes, woman empowerment. Lisa Hyper is back. You see me I say? Lisa Hyper is back. I would love to see that because, you know, I was supporting her and, you know what I mean, in every way I could. And, you know what I mean? I was good for sister, she followed up on the scene right now. So Lisa Hyper speak. She's speaking to her fans, I'm telling them thanks for all those who, you know, been there for her and supporting her. And so, Lisa, may I tell you right now, come do your music, focus by yourself, you can do it. See, so I'm going to hear what Lisa Hyper say. And also, Ivaamy, I want to congratulate Ivaamy for passing her driving test. I'm part of America, and that is ambition. That is someone with class and ambition. You know what I mean? No people go foreign and never make no attempt for try and reach that stage and achieve certain things in life. So I say, so big up Ivaamy, show them what I'm going on. So I say, but don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. So I say, you know, the man of peace in the Lionfoot, you know. You see me? The man of peace, never left the patch. I'm now working in the lodge. I know we keep it real on the battlefield over here. I remember freestyle phone yesterday when I come from work, and my depression did hit me a little bit, and I just lash out, vent. See, so I'm going to see the freestyle. So I say, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Alright, watch out. Watch your freestyle.
No hard feelings.
Work hard for his own, you know. Self-reliance. From now on, me no want no one call my phone and ask me for no favor, no paper. Swear to God, me I go lose it. Me I go snap, me I go lose it. Yeah. My money when me work hard for, I fi pay my bills. Take care of my kids and spend on my music. Invest in my music. Yeah, me make a vote, make a promise to myself. Me stop heart with support and strength. Stop share me energy, me stop share me wealth. To every hand supportive element. Inside me blood a boil, outside me a vent. And everything I mention, I meant. And me no care who vex and who a pray me. And I wanna not pay my rent. No, me no want no one call my phone and ask me for no favor. Swear to God, me a go lose it. Snap me, I go lose it. Yeah. Yes, man. I go call it, I feel like we go call it unsupportive element. You see me, I say because friends and families, you know, people say they respect and rate them. Nah, support you, and you bust your brain, so you want bust to help them. But them not like and shit. But I stop. Yeah, you must, everything I'm saying at the song, you see me, I them things I'm go through, you know? Friends, family, brother, sister, auntie, nobody now is like, them not knowledge of me I try to do, you see me? And them now give a helping hand for help. Me reach my goal. You see me, but we have to do it independently and we have to do it, make them see it. You see me, but big up everybody see me, I love man. Me I vent, but I mean everything I said I meant, But when I hate nobody, you see me? Now I hate nobody for support me, you see me? Each to their own. Zen? Alright, yes man. Watch Ivaamy, you know, pass your driving test. Watch that one.
Guys. Yeah! Guys, we just passed my driving test. And I'm so excited. I just passed my driving test. Now I'm going to get my license. And guess what? Your girl grade was 91%. Beep, beep. Guys, I'm so excited. I just can't wait. So thank you guys for the motivation. I can't believe my pass. I get 91%. Your girl did good. And you know me, I walk in, go pay the little fee, and then I go so boop, and then I go get my thing, them sample, and I go so
Yes, man, big up Ivaamy. Enough girl, enough women, young girls, I'm gonna say girl. See, I said enough women that are foreign get the opportunity to go to the border or whatever, get them visa, get filed for, and then go to waste time. Enough man too. So when we say this, I have to highlight it. Big up Ivaamy. You see me? Look at the baga, because you would know. I'm glad when you pass your driving test. That is, as I said, that is class. You know, that is very ambitious of you. You see me? I say, drive safe now and don't go get carried away and have an accident. You see me? I say, just drive safely. See? Alright, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that. Yeah, man. No big up Ivaamy in the comment section. See? Yes. Alright. Now, you're Lisa Hyper. I say, Lisa Hyper gone viral. I post her song Bittersweet and it gone, look at the screen, 226K. I wish that was one of my songs, you know. But Lisa, you know your Lion Foot, you have Lion Foot of the support. You see me, you have Lion Foot support. Anything we can do for help you. I don't know if you want a collab, whether you have a whole song, we can collaboration. You see me? So I'll link you up still Lisa Hype. If you see this, see you firm and strong. But people, here Lisa Hype said.
Okay, first of all, thank you for all of the prayers. I really appreciate it. Not nice wagon. And I just want to say thanks to my team, you know, because my team is, you know, in the background putting in a lot of work. So you guys are going to see the big difference, you know, in probably a couple of days. Also, I want you guys to look out for my foundation. That's the Gooden Foundation for mental illness persons and Down syndrome kids and people. So also, I have the 21 Bad Girl TV series working on as well. So there's a lot of work putting in. So you guys can look out for all of that. So also, you know, I have a few collaborations coming out. I don't want to really give out too much, you know, but I have a few collaborations working on as well. When you're gonna give your heart to the Lord, my heart is already with the Lord. If it wasn't, I wouldn't be alive right now. So my heart is already with the Lord. Don't watch what you see me doing, because you and I know God working miracles, you know, in mysterious ways. And that's one of the things that you guys don't understand. You know, no matter what you see I'm doing, my heart and my soul belongs to Him. And you know, they always say music and the industry is the devil's playground, but I'm a servant, you know, I'm a servant of God on the devil's playground. And when I'm transitioning to Him, I'll be carrying a lot of people with me. So this is not, I don't want you to take this for a joke. You know, I know my God. If I didn't know Him for myself, I wouldn't be here right now. Because no matter how you can have people praying for you and pastors praying for you, holding your head, if you don't know how to pray for yourself, you ain't gonna survive. You have to know God for yourself. So I ain't stupid about my God, or I'm not blindsided, you know. So I just want you to know that, okay? Really and truly, I'm not worried about my haters. I'm not worried about people who are trying to stop me or blackball me. I ain't worried about that. Trust me. What I do want you guys to know is that I'm very serious about my career, and I take my career very seriously. So, you know, I don't play about that. And even the past month ago, you can see that, because if me checking my so-called boss about him sabotaging my career is to show you that I don't give a listen, I'm just focusing on me right now. It's all about me right now. It's all about me right now. It's all about me right now. I don't care about nothing and no one else. No, I don't care. Right now, I'm on my own right now. I'm on my own. It's all about Lisa Hyper, Felicia Gooden. I don't care about no one and nothing but me and my career, my brand, and my team. That's who I care about right now. I'm not looking back. You know, I'm not looking back. I'm not, only person right now I need is God. Trust me, I'm not looking back. Trust me, there's no going back to that. So whatever they have in their head, it ain't gonna happen. Right now I'm on my own, and it feels much better. It feels much better, because you might be around some people giving them your energy and your strength, and all they're doing is, being ungrateful and make it look like you're the ungrateful one. Yeah, I don't give, like, really and truly. It's the best of me right now. It's the best of me right now. So you guys don't have to worry about that. I know how you guys feel, especially my true fans. I know how you feel when you see me hurting and stuff. I've been through a lot, and I never ever came out and spoke about my journey or what I have been through. So it's a thing like, them would have probably say pressure bus pipe. And even when you say pressure bus pipe, because I'm a very strong woman, I don't feel sorry for myself, because at the end of the day, you can't blame somebody for the choices that you made. You can't blame somebody for the choices that you made. So I don't blame anyone for what I've been through, but sometimes, when you realize, say, you go hard for the people that you love, and you realize that them not have no love for you, it's gonna hurt you, because you're only human. And it's just the same with me. I've put up with a lot. I've turned my cheek with a lot, and it's just come to the point where I will be doing it no more. I am free and happy right now. I am free and happy right now, and there's no looking back. So we don't worry about the 10% that, is being negative because they don't understand, or, they're not a fan of me. I don't even care about them. I'm not focused on them. I'm focusing on me. And what I'm gonna do right now is just let everything speak through music. That's it. That's it. That's it. So you guys don't have to worry. You guys don't have to worry. And I want to say this to the females out there. You don't need a man for feel good by yourself. You don't need a man for feel good by yourself. Don't. You don't. So you see, from you have confidence in yourself, just that alone you need. Just that alone you need. Because you have some narcissists out here, they do everything to try break your confidence, and when they see that not working, they just move on to something else to try and break you. You understand? I'm not gonna be supporting. I'm no longer gonna be supporting people who take advantage of my love for them. I'm not gonna be supporting that anymore. I'm great. I'm free and happy. Free and happy. Trust me. So you guys just stay tuned. I have a lot in store for you guys. And there's no stopping me. As I said before, I want to thank everybody who was concerned about me and my health, everybody who actually reached out, everybody who prayed for me. I will never be ungrateful to that. So I just want you all to know, and me being an advocate of mental illness, I'm not ashamed of it neither, you know, because when you try to ignore the reality, that is when things get worse, you know. So me being an advocate for mental illness, I'm not ashamed of that. I'm just gonna do the right thing because I'm not a child anymore, you know, I'm a woman. So I just want you all guys to know that, you know, I appreciate it, even the constructive criticism, I appreciate that too, you know. I'm not an ignorant person, you know. There might be times when I'm triggered, which makes me arrogant, but I'm not an ignorant person. So I respect constructive criticism. I do respect that. And even though sometimes you might see me not comment or reply, you know, I'll see some of the comments and stuff, you know. So I just want you guys to know that, you know. And I'm grateful for the continuous support, you know, that you keep on, you know, giving me, because, you know, not everybody is stupid, not everybody mind is basic, you know. You have intelligent people out here and people that are, you know, on the spiritual level that understands. So those are the people, you know, I see and look to, you know. So I just want to say thank you.
Yes, man. Lisa, big up yourself and make sure you mean what you say. Don't go back down the road, that bad road there. And don't make no one draw you out. Because some people are going to say things for you, talk things. Stay firm and strong. Focus on your music. Your opportunities there. You're going to reach and you're going to excel in your life. And you're going to do all of the business when you want to do. Your foundation for mental health. And, you know, yeah. You see me? As I go through depression too, I suffer depression. It comes and goes, but we can manage it. You see me? I say, but Lisa Hyper, stay firm, stay focused. And the team behind Lisa Hyper, support her to the fullest. See me? I say, yeah, man, make sure you guide her, counsel her, advise her the right way. Don't make she go back on cartel them. Don't make she go back in that circle there, because you see what's going to happen. She can do it herself and build her own brand. And you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that's the thing, yeah, man. I love. Big up on yourself. I'm going to watch my team, you know, the Woman Football TV. So I say, peace out.